This is a 2 BHK flat interior of Mr. Pandya located at Global City, Virar West. He is a Surat-based client who gave opportunity to designers, architects and interior designers to design the flat in an elegant and luxurious way. As per the client's requirement, we converted typical 2 BHK flat into a luxurious flat with one big master bedroom and private lounge area next to it. This project was initiated in August 2019. We created all 3D visualization in a week span and presented to our client. The safety door design and the entrance space is designed in a manner that makes it look grand and welcoming. This is the living area of the house. The living room has 3 different areas, that is the TV unit, dining and the puja unit area. Keeping in mind all the client's requirement, we have designed this well-equipped kitchen which caters all the necessities. We extended, rearranged and made certain modification in kitchen counter. The client had a unique requirement of having a relaxing and soothing private lounge area near the bedroom. In this room, we have provided some profile lights with round ceiling. This is the most eye-catching element in this room. Bar unit was provided for the storage. All the work, which included flooring, furniture, tiling, painting, upholstery, etc., was possible with the assistance of skilled team which worked for a span of 4 months to help complete the interior work. The designing was completed and the flat was handed over to the client, fulfilling all the expectations at the start of 2020. This is the final look of the flat. The entrance is made with the combination of materials like wooden laminate and Korean shade. The living room was finished with soothing color scheme which included colors like white, beige and brown. The TV unit is simple and sleek and goes well with the entire look. The dining area sets up the perfect ambience for a family dinner with the hanging lights and the niches created for the artifacts. This is the balcony area of the flat. We designed puja unit which had Navkar mantra inscribed on the frosted glass. This is a kitchen. It's an acrylic kitchen with all the required fittings, fulfilling all the requirements. It has all the Hitachi hardwares and tandem drawers. The color scheme used is blue and white. Kitchen has a sliding glass partition which serves two purposes. One, to segregate the area and second, to avoid direct view from the living area, thus maintaining privacy and creating aesthetically beautiful interiors. This is a bar unit which has well arranged backlit floating shelf for storing wine glasses and wine bottles. This is the private lounge area and was created as per client's requirement. It is a well designed zone for relaxing and spending quality time. This is a 9 feet height sliding wardrobe which has mirror strips incorporated into the design to make it even more presentable. Bathroom has the same beige color scheme and an attached toilet with mirror mosaic tiles. Also added a dedicated shower area with this beautifully incorporated acrylic ceiling which is the unique feature of this area. In the master bedroom, we extended the bed's back cushion up to the ceiling and added some glowing lights to create this look. Mirror strips are used at certain places in the room which makes it stand out, and the wallpaper completes the look of this room. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.